People from all walks of life are tuning in to 30A television. Maybe they're just brushing up on some cooking skills. Others just want to jam with the local musicians. Or is it a furry friend fix they're looking for? One thing's for sure, there's never a dull moment, and everyone needs to experience waking up on 30A at least once. The 30A television crew is here to keep you up to date on the ins and outs of our little slice of paradise.
Hi everyone, my name is Paul Bizard.
Edna from 30A TV.
I'm Red Bizard and I'm reporting for 30A Television.
We love 30A TV! Thank you, this is Dara with 30A.TV.
Hey guys, I'm Chuck Wicks and you are watching Courtney with me only on 30A TV.
And we support our local businesses, so give us a call for information on advertising at 1-877-30A-TV-48 and keep tuning in to 30A Television.